Which one was it?
And we were like,
Oh.
where are we?
Wait, what?
It looks like Disneyland.
It does. Oh, maybe it's someplace that looks like it. That's kind of cool.
This don't make any sense. This is impossible. How do I have Disneyland here when I own this?
Well, we are in California.
Yeah. Except Disneyland is the park.
Is Disneyland the park?
I think so.
You
I
think?
do have a Mickey shirt on. Wait.
Okay, now.
Where are we going?
Nick, so where are we going?
I don't know.
Okay, so what do we do? We wait in here.
Oh, we're here for close.
Your face.
Third.
We could have brought food. She said, you got the cooler. Where's the food?
Now my head.
So what are we doing today, Nick?
I don't want to actually this way. Oh.
Nick, come here. Come here. You want to go buy a ticket, go to Disneyland?
Yeah.
You want to go to Disneyland? All right, how about we do that?
Except what? That's
We're
not
go-
like Disneyland.
We are. That's where we're going. We're going to Disneyland.
We're
And
at Disneyland right now.
we're surprising you. It's a surprise. All of us came so we can take you to Disneyland
Oh.
and California Adventures.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Did you win America's Funniest Home Video?
That's
We're gonna put you on Funniest Home Video.
except I